Good morning children, welcome to class 4 social studies. So we are going to revise the lesson our forest and wildlife resources. So yesterday's class also we revised some of the topics. So today we are going to see about the types of forests. Okay, the first comes into our mind is your evergreen forest. Okay, so as the word itself mentions, it is evergreen, always green. The leaves will not be shed during any season time. So the forest will always look green and they will receive heavy rainfall children. The soil is well suited for growing any type of crops. Okay, so where it is found means it is found in hot and humid climate. So you will be always receiving more rainfall. Okay, hot and humid climate. Then they have a variety of trees, and the trees always look green throughout the year. Okay, and the trees in this place are very tall. Trees are very tall and they may grow more than 50 meters. So when we go near the Himalayas or in the Western Ghats or in the northeastern India, you can find this type of trees children. Okay, and they mainly form a canopy, a roof of the trees. Okay, the roof of the trees will look so dense, that is called as canopy. Okay, the next one is your deciduous forest. So deciduous forest, this will also have a region where there is a little less rainfall compared to the evergreen forest. Okay, these forests are also called as monsoon forest. Okay, these forests are also called as monsoon forest. They form in India. They form this major form of forest children. Okay, these forests are formed in warm and wet summers and cool winters. Wet summers and cool winters. The trees in this forest shed their leaves in the dry season. Okay, and what are the trees found over here is teak, sal, seashame, bamboo and sandalwood. So where you can find these trees means in the foothills of the Himalayas, in the wetter parts of the southern Deccan Plateau, and in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Tamil Nadu children. And one more you would have learned, that is also called as Shola forest. It is not there in your textbook. Okay, so wherever we go in southern India we see forest, that is also called as Shola forest. Okay. Then next one is your thorny and scrub forest. Thorny and scrub forest. So in this the plants or the trees will have long roots, small leaves and thorns will be there children, and thick bark, and they can survive without water for a longer period. So you can find these plants and trees in the regions of Rajasthan, parts of Gujarat. Okay, so you have the cactus, kikar, like those trees you can find over there. Then date palm and thorny shrubs. Okay, the next one is your mountain forest. So as you know, these forests are found in the mountains children. Okay, they are also known as coniferous forests. They are also known as coniferous forest. The leaves will have a sharp pointed thing children, and it will be long also and broad also. Okay, and then they bear cones. They bear cones. They bear cones. That is, the seeds will be there inside. They bear cones. Okay, they are found in the regions of Himalayas and in parts of Nilgiri hills children. Okay, and what are the trees you can find over there is chir, deodar, pine and spruce. Okay, chir, deodar, pine and spruce trees you can find over there. The next one is your mangrove forest. So this is near the seaside, children. Okay, the sea water will come and half of the tree will be little submerged under the water only. You can see the trees protruding out. One of the different feature, children, in this mangrove forest. So the world famous Sundarban Delta is formed there. The regions of rivers of Ganga and Brahmaputra. Okay, this is the world largest this one. So this is also known as tidal forest. Okay, and then here the Sundari tree is famous. That's why it is called as Sundarban. And then here the famous Royal Bengal tiger is also there, children. That is also very famous one. Okay, it is found in West Bengal. Okay, so these are the different types of forest. Once again I repeat: evergreen forest, deciduous forest, thorny and scrub forest, mountain forest, and one more is the mangrove forest. So take your textbook and read it, children. Okay, all are important GK questions. So same thing you will learn it in higher class also. Okay, see you in the next class, children. Thank you.